glad to be your host for this insightful and educative program. We bring it program to you on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and Lawyer has covered the English version on Tuesday. So tonight we're going to do the Tree version. I'm doing the intro in English for the benefit of those who don't understand the local or the Tree language. You can revisit Lawyer's page, Solicitor Thomas Benyo Facebook page, and you'll be able to cover or get coverage of the English version. But for tonight is to benefit our brothers and sisters, mothers and fathers who don't really understand the English language. So this program is proudly sponsored by CITI Law Solicitors. And as I always say, they've been our backbone from day one. CITI Law Solicitors, they've done a yeoman's job to promote and to bring the law to our doorsteps. They are highly equipped with legal practitioners who are very dedicated and knowledgeable to do their job. We give them all thumbs up for their good work. Viewers, tonight's topic is very unique. As I always say, tonight we'll be doing employment law. Most of the times we do immigration, but then of course, as I always say, legal hour is not just for immigration. Our lawyers, city law, they cover all areas of law. So tonight we're going to talk about employment law. Before I move on to the topic, I will entreat each and everyone to share this for us. Please share this for your brothers to benefit and of course to enjoy this free legal advice that we bring in to you. We bring in the law to your doorsteps. Please enjoy it. So once you share, please make sure that also you comment on the program for me to acknowledge you. It's very important to us because we want to see people who are watching us and we'll be able to give them the due acknowledgement. So please share and acknowledge the program. All right, tonight's topic, we'll be talking about how you can make or you can claim for compensation based on an associate person who has a disability. So when I say an associate, it could be your brother, your wife, your sibling, anyone that is connected to you that obviously has some sort of disability, that based on that you are not eligible to get whatever you need to get at work. So based on that you can claim compensation. You can make a claim based on that particular person. So not directly towards you as you being part of the protective characteristics, but it could be any person you are associated or connected with, family member, your wife, or whatever. This is very insightful, and we are proud, we are fortunate that lawyer Thomas Benyo will be here with us in the studio once again, take his time and take us through the legal matters, what really happens and how we can make all these claims. So tonight is another important and fortunate opportunity for us to abreast ourselves to, of course, engulf ourselves with the knowledge on the legal grounds in the United Kingdom especially. And CITI Law Solicitors, they are our backbone. So please, we open the phone lines along the line for you to call in and ask any question of your choice. It might not directly be related to this topic. It could be any immigration or any other law or other areas that CITI Law Solicitors covers. And lawyer Thomas Benyo will be able to answer all your questions for you in good faith. So thank you very much. Thank you for sharing and thank you for dropping your comment. We open the phone lines. Please make sure you call. And of course, I'll be back in on a commercial break. But before then, let me do another introduction and tree to benefit people who don't really understand the English language. Etiefo ne ashafo be church yamunyina enanwumwe. Mosomfo MC Chaka ana ene mesane mo kasayo. Ene maba mopuna no bi mu a na enye bone. Dwumadi a de bremo ya wode bia no. Ya to ne din legal awo dwumadi no. Ene ehun dwuma na ye de bremo. Legal hour eye dwumadi sonko a ye beka emremu nsem echechere de emra a ekro na onyame aye adom amenya CITI Law Solicitors se omugina ye chipampe se yemfa dwumadi emremu eye free legal advice untu yakapre enso so ubenya advice ye dwumadi no ye be phone lines atom utimi frɛ ebusa lawyer question bia opebia na immigration say ye family say ye employment be be ye emremu o mo cover bia no lawyer ebe ansa ama and the topic no eda sonko and ye bekasa afa ekwan a betimi afa so na wonya mpata wa bra mpo yebuni be say discrimination e wa adwumam enye wo direct ana yekase bia wo disability ana wo yare bi ana bibinemum say obi a wo hwe no ana say wo yire bi ana bibi o ye kra anyem no na che say eho no adwumafo no wo akwanya say omutimi egumu kakrama no mu miemu a eho no betimi do makose me yenyam enso so me ka say mo mame kohwe no amfa ne hospital mo se da bi betimi atusa anamono ti ne lawyer ebeto ne bo ase acheche yemu am yehunu se de mran sitie e wadwumam na obi ansisi yen enti besem amonye bre na moma yenye dwumadie no na enye kama enche bia lawyer Thomas Bebenyo ba be kamensa na ye di dwumadie no ahyehye so na mesre se dwumadie no koso na wa share ama onue bi wo papa bi wo maame bi enya ho mfaso sremo a mon share dwumadie no na intimi nkwachire emaye wo hia me ye pa afese wo hwe me a na wa drop a comment said de be ya me msicha committee me abo abaso ma wo se ampa wo hwe me etietiefo ne ahwefo me quick commercial break na me ba me lawyer ebeba na ye di dwumadie no ahyehye so enti ani die kwa so mesremo a montwe me na me ba sisi a montwe me. for ma munyina adwo eba legal awajumedi so ifra me MC Chaka na enemene menua lawyer Thomas Bebenyo ana ehiem ewa hanom City Media ene o se me mai tuntum lawyer de court ntino antimi ankoya yi ntino waye na ne tuntum amaye ne nyina MC Chaka ene se UK asemato yen idia bene na ene ye maame bibia ye nana ehima oti edwemu a chese yeni ne ho agorokra no ene wetwenani ahwedan wato nanamo e wonse do enti ene enibre aba ekruduem ha idia bese na ye she edwumade na se emse mrebi do na be kaya odi ne birthday ye celebrate no e wo ha ma ye whole program e fa no ho so ene ye beto e program so na mom no you see emfa enidi ema de enidi ese no enti answer na ebe share e program na se no you be pay respect and as a tribute to your mommy I am funny ni agree enti you be bo anthem yeah national anthem no you be bo na afi we are hold like a minute silent not to say you show your respect to your Queen Elizabeth II how nyame atonisa afreno ti me bebo anthem no na chisi we na yeah. So lawyer already any dear so yeah observe 1 minute silent na show respect to your queen into your observe. Yo, the best say Nyamenfa ye mame ye nana ye bibia Queen Elizabeth II ne kra nsie ewaja oba ene hom kronkron. Amen. Amen. Yo lawyer, me mo akwa basronkon aba jumadi so umza rehwa kan de enso so no ba ya she etifo ne herfo say de bia na de mra ebebre omo doorsteps intino no matter what it is necessary like media no ekoso nti medical mo akwa ba na what ya etifo so lawyer
Yo, check out each year a chief in a so my own yako or in my one young baby echo. Na if you wanna no will be a best night, never a best night. And keep me a sure somebody be to na emrano society intino stay na say yet was na idea disuana tembia de prayer nkofo my crowd so many people to my body mo di bia bom brano at was why adwuma na ada yakoma so se be no enu tina na dwi de asi nyina no de da so te asi ya e ba be se adwuma
you lawyer that's it. I mean, said it be no, mekano. I'm say adwuma wo ye no, adwuma emu du yie pa na boa. Ghana 42, Africa 4 nyina so no. Na I'm say what to mwesi free legal advice. I will advice na nkrofo do bom koto de no. Amanfo na etifo de bia so mo da wase ye ne. Ti na me sure e wo adwuma sonkon wo ye de boa. Ghana 4 and Africa 4 nyame show. Na and then topic no and they become afa employment law. Employment law no me who topic na so wow. Really na just say asemo a ebebo ankofo yi pa because obi wo no wadwum na akonya bi mu a na onim de e wose wo ye onim the left and right. Enti me who topic no mani age pa. But emre no ntino me dey wo be started me ma onye intro no kra me push the question straight away. Topic no and it's how to claim and as a compensation. Kwa be fa so be compensation. Wa bra e bia who nipa bi e wo disability na through that no or discriminate against you. Nti last time discrimination at work, I mean against the protected characteristics no. The common which is some sort of disability be about or nyemne any nyina e wa adwuma no. So omo direct and a year omo until no chechi mu a but me hu we no. I just we not quite indirect. Na just one o yiri wo fie na eno so kra no onyima na bibisa no ene nyina discrimination no. Tie ne ye ba me be to me boss ebusa questions kakra. But answer na ye be kono we so tell mo chi amanfo you can say discrimination at work in general no not just defined by anything.
Yo medas chaka you can discrimination at work impapa mu aya wo adwum na we fe mrenu ma equality act 2010 no ye list of protocol protected characteristics ibine bia race nature say bit me about say or color or nationality or ethnic background or cultural background ni na from under the race which means you go on ma and I'm say bia oye pipini ntino na bia Asian ni adwuma say oye no bia na oda koma ono ni bipa ana say bi okwa na oye pipini no na broni no na bia ntokwa somo na yinadi na jai boni no ono na ye race ebi so na say bi obi a wa yare and normally no under the employment law so we are up to about a year and I can say wa be disabled class 5 if no do okwa nya serious illness one so wa be disabled and I be so na bia sorry hayeko religious belief. You are not says, you are himself Sunday now, quite sure. Kinkin also Sunday now, more quite you. In fact, we do a grand more now to me a man a year, Jimano on Sunday could be on an uncle on your Christian. They not bit my discrimination. It being your sexual orientation, you go on a more better than a friend saying, gay for a lesbian, for an andy, and kind of so moving and so a man put that home. And we feel must go on so why need no adwuma it to me discriminate against it so na ye protected characteristics and open for bi onyam and obi a wawo wanche ye nyina ye nkofo man bo mo ban stronko
Okay. But as I said, when you adagina watch discrimination, na what's actually protected characteristics no more shall say ama your home in no. But me musao your discrimination, I'm say one who do be brave. When you say direct discrimination, your indirect discrimination. You can't direct discrimination now about your saying.
Yes. So I can't direct discrimination not just say when Ramuno and it's slightly confusing. Direct discrimination and say when you obedient on what compare. Sometimes it will be not said. A man can sometimes be a bit confusing. Because if you are direct, not just will be a discreet against you directly. But this I can't direct discrimination. I just say, oh, be a friend of comparator.
Okay.
To me, find say, many Bunian na Brunino be a immune to Quaba, be a argument by a argument is against the company policy, be a better tian, a would do more. Na and you be a mere man to me a beginning. Ya yimati na Brunino. Yamana to just say a man unfavorable treatment.
Yama be no unfavorable treatment.
As compared to
Brunino.
On your treating unfavorably.
Okay.
Which means you favor Brunino compared to or no.
Okay.
I just say no, I direct discrimination.
Oh, great. You watch it direct media, not indirect, Mr. My own way, and that's what you're saying.
Indirect, no, I am not. And yet opposite per se.
Okay, you see.
Indirect to do with company policies and practices.
Okay.
And the company do one or more, a beer, baby or mojuma way. A beer left to grow any one or more. Not just as a jumano, who be disabled, on to me where yes, a jumanity. And I say, or more policy, no more than say, sometimes or no, say, what the age be a 65 and 40 and 40.
Okay.
Not just a company practice, no, indirectly discriminate against or more, when father say,
or more disability.
Or more, ye, Nansaya, na, Memodi, embassy be na, or more person will introduce some policy. Na, a mobile contact him, na, a troy equal them almost say, or more fan come. Now we heard not just say retirement benefits are not more. It do baby not just say, or more per se, or more if you want not just say Kobasa na age indirectly age discrimination because we say all parties in the back or age man will be some age be own to me and just say indirectly who push you more in you know if you want because who is a retirement benefit if they know your company policies no they say indirectly no
okay
exclude some go for
all right you that's it at here for near for safi na wo hwe ya MC Academy lawyer Thomas Bebenyo na ye ka employment law na ye ka discrimination and once na discrimination we say no ye nkama omo ye less favorable na say omo a be a more disability binti no nemu ye kama omo won crofo we say associated with crofo a omo wo that disability no na based on crofo na yin nti na say be omo bo omo ana be binti ye discriminate against omo e ho asem ne ye ka nti and the lawyer chechire mu wache discrimination ye ka discrimination say the city na wachem direct discrimination wachem indirect discrimination said the wachem musisia no enti isi ye twaso abisa questions no na answer dey be correct say so wo hwe ya wo be share program no ama dwumadi no unua bi enya bi no de abo ne kotodwa nim krofo bebre wa adwuma mu a akwanya we say and say sa ade we di o mo pa yi so mo nim o mo left and right ti no so mo ti mo sa by the lawyer be chechire am ye hunu kwanya say ofaso ene impo mpata bi wo ha se gbe ya osabeka ni nyina no ene yi bi hunu edika so pay respect to ye maame ye queen ya bo UK nyom national anthem me observe 1 minute silent ti mo afi na mo ba no si wi na mo ko video na mo si ayi ni nyina ene mi hye tuntum ni se eni abre sa crowd no because Malizi ejaye arehum nti anibre aba. Yeah, to adwuma so na mibusa questions na more. Lawyer, ti mami mo room na menko topic no and I say ne botai na kasa so. Wacheche mu ekwaya nkrofo discrimination no esi eba and I say treat omo less favorably. But then so be ewo adwuma na enipa no sa protected characteristics ya waka nyina no. Onka ho a eye den ana under this discrimination route no utimika say mo are discriminating against me and I say because say ebia me will be wo fee into no eye den na nipa no etimi nya saa akonya na and I say saa enyina so no e dey make that allegation no
yo that's it. Say Osha Equality Act no section 13 na was say A should not treat B unfavorably because of protected characteristics.
Okay.
And explore Potokasa was it because of protected characteristics. One case because of his or her protected characteristics.
Okay.
We are very deep a year most times, you know. We are lawyer one within a year, but if you say, oh, kiss oh, the case, but which make us, oh, when you're disabled, I didn't know, who person will claim disability discrimination. But we explore Emrana, you know. Emrana Kasa, actually, say, men treaty will be unfavorable because of protected characteristics. You can't describe protected characteristics. It be ne race, you know. It be ne color. It be no be a oyare or pemfo or be a wawa chair. Will be a 1 year nifi oyare. And Tina just says, how munina and because of that, you know. So me ba manot the baby nase or yarofo. Na mana me hwe no wadwuma me hwe no ofie ana wo ba bi a ma no ba ko yarefo kakra ana se ukunu ana se wo yere ana se wo maame obusuani a otu ofie wo na wo hwe no na wo hwe emrani mu a na chese section 21 no say if be reasonable adjustment as will be I was at disability necessarily when your man is even pregnant for near dealing and so more reasonable adjustment.
Okay.
90 MP, you know, who on one or to me giant adjuma. So best ya unipa corner saying, we won't be any stroke, we won't be any cancer, we won't be any. Oh,
yeah.
Now, the other person, we have sometimes a child. Go taken for granted by a deep law na meto me boase actually go for platform is so and this is I didn't have two abusuani na wo hwe na just say so ni mra na eni sa ujai odwuma na mom ese employer na otumi accommodate you otumi make adjustments adwuma no kwa bia we na full time na so pese we part time ontumi ga so why ntumi anya full time me yodi. And I said, you must for the no but now so and I'm say bia me sorry ya free or team me na me hwe me be ma na aduane be esi to be adwuma ba be start be awia na ma pon sam te unya kasa adwuma ru an eso nya nyina so ntia ontumi emma o sa kunya no na onye sa na just see no sa reasonable adjustment under section 20 na wo pre no say abema wanya flexible hours of work no na ade no enye wuti a wo yare o nemu yare for na wo hwe no to fie no so eno na ema wo di gina so ade apesa akunya no na ndi se dwuma na ntumi a ma wo sa akunya no na se enyi bi okaso bi a afrese na ntumi ma bi a yare for no de no hospital na bia look sometimes there be redundancy. No man listed all the absences, no must be one of the indicative factors because of one time now, so because of that, that's why you're redundant. And I just say, oh, share your for us and you want to remember to be pre now, or move against you a discrimination by associated discrimination.
Okay. That's right.
Severe adjustment some of the man man farm na bia utumi resign utumi kura resign utumi gnaze look because of man provide us adjustment no mama ya voice obehwe yarefo no adwuma wura na utumi ama reason tia utumi na wonye adwuma bim without say obema akwa na wahwe yarefo na ke say akoye associated discrimination.
With the mood of power, so you can say deploy, not just say papa, because in Pempi, you know, a month for visit, say me mum na me area, na me uncle and meet me because just sick leave, and I say meet me because I'm ma. Now I say me banner intinempo, emphasis on no unity. Now Obana fell through. Say also they are part of the protected characteristics now.
Yes.
Now Obana fell through. Now SAB Obana fell through. You know say appointment tribu I saw na de call if you mu auntie sa all these appointments in team amount me nya dwuma no said e so ye no so that said now ye before no it based on that no say ebia o absent ho and now you be na employer na kasa on tiase a na che say eno no ya be discrimination by association,
right? That's right.
That's good. Atim for we dey asomo a na che say ye wo ho no obi ntimi nkase yare de etimeba na lawyer che characteristics no o pa che say sa protected characteristics no nyawo nko a o enyawo na say yew na moma yewo busuani bi ana obi a wo associated to you a
yes
ho no obetimi agina so e dey they should make reasonable adjustments, right? Lord na eba no so make reasonable adjustment na che say so time no cry na e say yet based on your request somewhere amount because ukunu and now and now baby yarea papa ubi a closer to you or associated to the friend association. That's good. And I will check lawyer. You better say. But me acknowledge my viewers now yet also. Edward also Edward, it is a church now. Was it MC Chaka, good evening from Ghana. Good evening to you, Edward. Okay, you feel me upon or say good evening to you too. Prince Atakra, I'm Prince. Makasa Makura Prince footballer, the #1 footballer in Asante Mampong. Prince is watching us. David Echo, I say the mayor of Hackney himself. I say he's watching me live. I say good evening, boss. I say good evening to you. Kofi Amwate, Kofi say good evening, Mr. Thomas. Kofi say good evening. That's right. Fred Asare, I say good evening, boss. I'm standing by. Fred, wake up. You know what I mean? Stand by. All right. Omo share me mama na ya sister me church ya oni Giovanni me church ya mo nyina na ya comment bi and also wa hwesa on comment na de bia na ya is watching me church ya mo Richard Usuasa is watching say and two others. All right. Patrick Yaboa, that is my boy, my #1 DJ in Asante Mampong. DJ Promsy, no. I say hi, bro. Chaka, it's your boy DJ Promsy. Great job. Thank you very much, DJ Promsy. My big boss, William Boachi, Senior BM. Senior BM is watching. Senior BM said, my people. That's right. Senior, long time no here. Augustine Piesa, sorry, it's my Modini Yafachame, Augustine. Augustine say, good evening, lawyer. Good evening to you, Augustine. Kofi Lancaster. I see you guys looking great. Nice suits. Kofi. And then I say, Ohima, every moon I made a marshal me black. Lawyer court. Into also ban was no. I say, I just saw the court be a so suit. And Tinaja, also abo suit. Maybe Ohima and Timmy pay respect. Said in there. Thank you very much. Chief Lancaster. Charlie, we can need your home papa. It was fun. Vandas, your secret location. It was good. We have to do more. We have to organize more trips. Thank you very much, Chief. You are amazing too. Desmond Beniana, Desmond, say, I'm watching you live. God bless you, lawyer and Chaka, for the good job. All right, Desmond, thank you very much too. Always here with us. We appreciate that. Yeah. Akosia Akuma Papabi. Hey, Edin Yakama. MC Akosia no. MC Akosia Papebi. Akosia, was it good evening, dear? Good evening to you too, MC Akosia. Kwakumante say, good evening, lawyer. Good evening, lawyer. Thank you very much, Kwakumante. Okay, Mensa Kofi, or say, oh, Mensa, who is a question? All right, may answer a question later on, but for now, no, I'm just acknowledging. You do question time, you can ask the question, or we acknowledge you anyway. But Mensa Kofi, thank you very much. I'll ask your question later on. Josephine, just from Abuaji man. All right, me about authentic Mami Joe all the way. Kumasi. I say good evening, bro, and my condolences to you people of the Queensland for the losing of the Queen. Oh, I want to cry. I say beardy bonnet. I say beardy bonnet. I got a mugger deja me until Lizia, my dear to ye. Oh, Joe. And I say thank you very much. Say all my condolences. Until Lizzie, ama asema to ye. Lawyer, I salute you too. That is from Josephine. Ernestina Kakari. I say, God bless you, lawyer. God bless you too, Ernestina. Thank you very much. It's more the questions, no, and I say comments number is really encouraging. Now you read here, not just a BBA echo so. The must say comments about lawyer here to us on a branding. So lawyer, what you mommy and who a choir sadi efasono. Na chese enipa no wadwuma na ohwe obi nkase ne yere kwa nanyem ana de eso mo yema no no ana se akwanya se de ma no ana se a reasonable adjustment na obi ono nkasa pese ohia no ankoso a how does the person build the grounds e kwa ben stand so faso no dum nkase de omo ye me ni ntime so bui na metimi me grounds me building me grounds no e kwa ben be faso lo ya
yo me da se over discrimination claims, your friend will be shifted better. And like they're making an example of a case of McCroy. The TNS said, this case is not that old. For a Juma hotel. Na hotel no ye Jumano. One na yere ono ye kitchen porter and na yere waitress.
Okay.
Na we say hotel bi ono ma odan no so wote ono mo tua rent kakra. Na we ye adwuma wo kudu awi. I'm just giving an example of the case laws. Na yere firefu. No firefu so be firefu is entitled to maternity near there. Na just say so baba wo e wo no. Na adwuma wura no na on pese as a quay who take on the war a honor.
Oh, okay.
That's right. And to do and say we omwedi, especially kitchen porter no bema. What I say, so we are redundant. So if they didn't just they were called maternity. Because why not omoye bema no redundant. Now the quay and say the case in say one employer na why are redundant no? Bibia no just say na dwuma no. We say answer we be redundant just say dwuma ni wo bi. Dwuma na kofo. Enti wan shada ama any good reason. I just say wo yinadi. Na say about employment law. So nya ka say me kala anase me no nyam no nti ena wo yimadia. Na che say wo adwuma wura no ensa wo kire me ni say enye no ntia na mum e bibi foforo ntia. And even shifted burden.
Okay.
And say minya ka say k na say burden na shift ya betro so say me no matra wo din as a claimant na wo de wo church mu aba. Enti case no e conclude say look employer na sheda any genuine reason bia na mum be ma no na association with the wife na wa benyam na on pese on beto aso awo hotel on no ma hwe enkola on any thing na witness so he need. And that was discrimination. That's one example. Another example na West 4 case.
Oh.
Obi a ono so ne ba oye yarefo Now the banner yara phone till most of the time no. Yeah, we take time off maybe with an alcohol appointment near there. Now a bar say or being of 40 no more selected no. I am redundant. Now on only case in say and I'm say a Juma no way no. Most of the time we hear time of which is the reasonable adjustment that some of the man go for. And no tina or more the kinas we in it. Nemo and yes it be even if so bear redundant corner and can yes or no select because remember so we're entitled to reasonable adjustment.
Yeah.
Now my cancer I can say we share section 13 of the Equality Act now. What can protocol some say A should not treat B unfavorably because of protected characteristics. One can say because of his protected. So it means that so if there is a protected characteristics, which is ubi or disabled or oba and our mamia, not because we are associated with that person. Na Emma Ejumano said the oye Ejumano won't to mean yen mano. But the Mrano say protection or no. So we're about right now. Our mouse are there now. I just will not when I say by discriminating against you.
Lawyer, I mean, as a woman, somehow, because what's it, with the case laws, about international say, it's for Emrano, and they bring it to their steps. Once say, Utum rare, now what she see. As them now all canon, or they are called for actually 2 case laws. Nina SC, I'm to be building groundstone. It's lawyer back to my question. It is here any panel, assembly, and answer when you atono, and answer the year said, okay, yeah. Into a family a unity, but over as well building the case.
Yes.
As well building the case. Now, sometimes also, last time ye program, and also say, oh, yeah, dear, I say, 1 year, your friend say, only 2 years were you more. No, we are not eligible for unfair dismissal claim.
Yeah.
In this situation, ever anybody need 2 years, that means a claim will be to me a claim under discrimination.
Yes, that's perfectly correct. The TNSA discrimination claim no, and no say a forward jumu, ye forward jumu still to me claim. Unfair dismissal, then piano, my cancer, say. A qualifying period, a friend 2 years, and so here you want 2 years or more.
Yeah.
But most importantly, no, are there some power discrimination claims in them say? Say, ye treaties, they said one of the examples here, mamma, ye annuity. Most of the time, ye be annuity, and sana what claim for compensation. But we know, ye annuity cry now. Okay, so building is as long in the Macas and another thing say your free be shifted better.
Yeah.
And this we are discriminating against you. Now we have good reason based on solid law to say the Macana.
Yeah.
Not just say a employer no and our dear Juma man so on your man homework. And there is no any homework no to me ever be country court no say. Tribunal say and yes I
good.
And it's not Nina swan or the Bebano, saying twice more. It's a good therapy. And in most cases, no discrimination claim, no, as long as it's built on solid grounds of the law, no. Now, a Germany now be talk, besides how do you prove your case in America? Now, you must shift better than I shifted to the employer, or not so to me prove say, as them now can. And yes, I am in so name in so be different.
Okay, that's good. Lawyer, you better say any Juma power, any the way on your church, you might yet in seminary. Now, answer never call in him no. I mean, really, a disclaimer because in the yummy year pa say, you better on here ready we are. We beat me, and you see, and some I will cannot say MC Chaka, any lawyer, and I can't say, can say. Now, if you are here, now, fast number 20, DBN is here ready. CITI Media disclaimer. The opinions and advice in these videos are intended for general information purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional advice. City law solicitors and the authors or presenters are not responsible for any direct or indirect result arising from any reliance placed on videos, including any laws, and exclude liability to the full extent. The and then the tentia and say advice I did we free legal advice I did Capricorn in nature. Na in kratas also be and share a muse lawyer and a city law for na assign say faculty manson. Fati na one casano is based on your own a wow dear so bit me who right out of the name so could jina baby like I say MC Chaka and lawyer Thomas the one beginning chinchina train say uno kotrina book out sim and I say anya ya na chese hoden instance ase eno tira de bia me ka se o pese lawyer edi animu ma wasem na bibia ene bra on fan krata nhihye ase ma o de krata ase ma wa ho de obegina nimu a represent o aka se bibia ba isinebo se de true aka se si be ma bono sa pepepe it will mention so yi pa we need free legal advice it will be a cost then you know exactly what you need to do. For instance, say be a small lawyer Kenyan, then you start building your evidence, you start building your grounds. It will do baby now person the country man so and be a honor when your BBA we open na lawyer the grata share amount. That is BBA I kama as simple as that. Yeah to also lawyer ya take question you in Taika this terminology. Say victimization at workplace. In this context, and I say about discrimination by association, a hinfa and a victimization, a lie, and I say victim de at workplace.
Okay. Now, so what's your definition of victimization under the Equality Act Section 27 now? Again, it's also and also it's based on protected characteristics.
Okay.
The TNSA, we find say because of, for example, our association with will be disabled, you know. Na a Juma be on a more be a and he says, Ona Eddie Nachinchina, yes, Baye. Because the business message hours because he say, be a person was a son, Nachinchina be a Brajuma match. A brown him say, or be a or disabled and so we understand time. Not just say or victimize you because of protected characteristics. A business one for say in general, it means a vast high grounds we are. Victimization could be either yourself or the associated person.
Okay.
Or no, are connected. No. If you are also a bit more about if one we be and a profound a juma. For example, if you are a profound at the same jumano, or shall be a two almost more as I or more before. No. Na be a cancer a dear moye musi see a year before no. Now because of that now more a trying to be also no more you would I guess I'm victimizer because we are complaining about protected characteristics, which is discrimination of race discrimination.
Great.
And that's what it means by victimization. Now, sometimes in Kofu feel victimization, just common English, and this definition in the Equality Act is quite distinct.
Great. You are for saying what victimization I say. Until it has to be a victimization. Say the Ochimono or Equality Act 2014, remember?
2010.
Sorry, 2010. Meloy. Equality Act 2010. No. Victimization, that is where it lies. International say, yeah, share super year. Lawyer, of a yamra compensation. You see, I don't when your grounds, who say a discrimination by association. Anti compensation, a quite pain will be Timmy Afaso. I just want you to take us through the process, no? So now for you who know the financial settlement, Why?
Okay. About discrimination, the Eddie kind. And pray, no. Do all money you ready because of the discrimination against you, you ready. But bet my bass say, ye knew what that's what you want. Now, what should be a friend of grievance?
Okay.
Say, be I do out the IME, why ye because me fizzy be a Yarafu a minute and I say, oh, mammy, reasonable, I just want that section 20 no. One farm, mammy. Now, said you will demand because if you amount to me, I only him say, said near waiting amount to me, a man. Now, we grievance, and I say, or more answer for a problem now. Not just you knew what you wait to make you say complain to lodge a case against the employer, applying you what you know to claim compensation for discrimination. And then he can a man go for a shadow. A bit means what about say, a business be a advance, be a nam say, be a one time much money because of your for fee now, Fenitino. Now, be a fakwa and be a so a UAT. Like you said, no. And also, your discrimination, who claim compensation, but here, no compensation, difference a woman say. So, what that's what you know. Now, say, why my grievance, no, now say grievance, no, or more dealing with it. Now, solve a problem, no. Now, say, we lodge complaint to the tribunal, say, we claim compensation. And no, your friend be what they call injury to feelings. Protocol say, no, or more share guidelines. A friend eventual guidance. Now, when friend say, my bit stressed because of the way I'm treating me now. Like I said, the compensation is around 9,000 thereabout.
Oh, okay.
So medium range, which is my very stressed because of the way I might be clear yari contract fee 2 weeks because of the way I'm treating me now. Like I said, I'm looking at between 9,000 to 27,000. And then aggravated stress which is do all no more. And you to me na didn't know I funny too.
Oh.
And then you're looking at about 45,000 and a bit.
Wow.
So that is even when you more no more to make claim compensation. But the point then I said, I had an uncle through. But at the end of when you claim for compensation for discrimination, like I said, straight away, what are you protected? Say you are deep because of that now, automatic discrimination, automatic unfair dismissal. That's where now, even if say we need 2 years, now say now to make claim unfair dismissal.
Okay.
But that I want to now be automatic because of that. I should be a onyam now unity.
Yeah.
Then there is exception for automatic unfair dismissal. And this particular area now that's work you know. Why Jesus can why this Ghana Manassas some poor home buying with one because when you know some you at here further compensation for
untouchable,
sir. But say you are DTR, not just say will be a friend of financial loss. It be not your way, it be a year with what trafia be a bear 9 months. Unyanya to maybe a not just say up to the time court no be a better than to be another 9 months up. I say no or pass financial losses every month be I will give 3,000 and I just say so multiply almost by some 9.
Wow.
So what I say
it's a kind of fee.
The other point and I say normally weekly gross so when you 50,000 doesn't mean say normally pay based on age
Oh, okay.
that's right it is age in a multiplier complex calculations but and the second aspect so let's say it be a bit to keep time and so the 1 year tuma and to continue to can be a way bit take be about 6 months more as 1 year tuma not yet future loss of income
okay.
And some of the need now back account as under account compensation.
Wow. Lump sum now.
Sir.
Great.
And that's the level of compensation and of which you mean. If you said you know your mistake in associated discrimination, okay, other way please.
So, Lawyer Thomas Beben, you better must say, ene abotre awanya achechire sa ade we mu pa kontrofo bebre ekom tibia we mu enso so omuni mo left and right to be shim na yesisi omo but ene why ade say wachechire mu lawyer Thomas Benyo eda City Law Solicitors ano na ohwehwe na kira kwaya o unit 113 Barking Enterprise Center 50 Cambridge Road Barking postcode near IG11 8FG. It is all real lawyer kira kwaya that's just a while. Also KFC bi o and then McDonald's.
KFC.
KFC. Uba na nobody can call KFC no mean we are na fe waba the office of Barking any train station or kwanga office telephone number no 020 33 55 07 827. That is 020 33 55 0782. Almost specialize it, and also we kuku down. Ewo immigration law, so the DBI no employment law, and even family law, personal injuries and clinical negligence, commercial disputes and civil litigation, housing law, consumer law, and media and entertainment. Tia bam remu pa dia omo kuku dam kroma. Na me hu law firm bia omutimi enya more wins than city law da. Itime kamfo mu bia be a oshi bia say entwen na nya ho pocket lawyer. Na ka say we dey say me ametimi aye. Because asem na wodo nsa ko kano na o ma na ye kese. Ti kodum pempen so afina ne ka ye den say de bia lawyer kano. Enimanimu ya no aba be ho no na odi krata hyase na akwa kugye bibia ama. Ana cases be say so no lawyer de bia ka also we no win no pay basis. Ana meba to we no one win ni kra untu ahwe. Ntu to we dey. Eja wo win na also the percentage kakra no wo de ama no atafre. But fakoma na anywhere someone. All right. Priscilla White, also thank you for bringing us the program regardless of the bad news. Yes, Priscilla, news radio. We be say I have said I know. I have said that pa na yeso, but yes, papa I no question and I no. I have said that so no question pa na yeso. Derek Bequin, also good evening, boss. Good evening to you, Derek Bequin. Ernestina Kekari, also thank you very much, lawyer. Thank you to you, Ernestina. It is here for me, beautiful lifestyle too. Now, the same among friend now. Question be a obi and be to me, Ebusa. Studio number no, and mede a to so no. Share screen as well. Studio number no, and also. In the each go studio number no we so e so ti bomodi ase obefre na yeah number na be da so no bomodi ase obefre na at least question bia wo bia no ubusa lawyer wa hede obe boa na wan sama ti ye twa mo so obefre na asana course be ba no na gusu aye twa na no obi busa question e ko back me kai question no me kai question let me say question a lawyer answer but question ko but me kai question no como na obusa discrimination at work sir a kwabe na befa so a we begin claim when you feel like but why answer question anyway but committee aso am the background no but I'm say comments the baby brisa no comments no
okay, I think it's if the employer refuse to make reasonable adjustment what action can you take
na make us answer no so answer answer question it you sure say Kofi question has been answered by a lawyer.
That's right. So make it grievance. Grievance someone to do with it that and you can claim for compensation for discrimination.
We're escalating it to the tribunal.
That's
employment
right.
Tribunal.
Yeah.
And the Kofi question lawyer answer now. It is here for your beautiful life now atum. Your train say mobile free. And I know say and there are a whole about yɛdi abɛsɛ paa ne yɛwe no nanso yɛnhyɛ yɛn ho dɛ yɛn nyinaa sɛdeɛ onyame bɛboa na yɛhema ɔbɛma no baabi pa atena no nti yɛtwɛn questions no anaasɛ mo call nti obi frɛ a moyɛ nti obi mfrɛ de lawyer anaasɛ ɛgu so a yɛtwɛn no ɛsɛ wrap it up ma yɛn na yɛwe sɛ
didi kan yɛsrɛ nyame sɛ ɔmfa ɔhema kra nsi mama no baabi papa ntena ɛno nso yɛbaeɛ a sɛdeɛ tam biara yɛyɛ no yɛbaeɛ sɛ yɛbɛkyerɛkyerɛ nkɔfoɔ mmara no because yɛnimdeɛ a yɛsi bi wɔ nom ana ne kunu wayare nansɛn heart attack stroke cancer yareɛ hodoɔ bebree na asɛm yɛ a meka menim nea nti a mekyerɛkyerɛ nkɔfoɔ saa nneɛma wei kɔba saa no a na akyerɛ sɛ adwuma nkɔkoraa no ɛmu ayɛ den yarefoɔ atu fie wontumi ntwa ho mma kurom a nso so nansɛn bɛlboɔ ne adeɛ biribiara boa yɛ den ɔntwa ho amma a na kyerɛ sɛ ahokyerɛ ɛyɛ aba ama yarefoɔ no koraa no po no ebi ɛbɛte ne nkoa so na aban anim saa nneɛma wei nyinaa nti no wahyehyɛ mmara a ɛbɔ nkɔfoɔ ho ban a wo a wohwɛ no no wodeɛ wonyɛ disable anaa bi a woyere akɔnyam maternity bi a obi wɔ ɔnyam for the first time na hospital kɔ ne adeɛ no saa nneɛma no bi a wobɛma no ɛsɛ woboa adwuma yi nso woankɔ a na yɛbɛyi wadi nti sɛ bi a sɛ ɛde saa bɔne no bi adi wo a na kyerɛ sɛ ɛnam sɛ wone nipa kɔ no yɛ connected or associated no yɛfɛ no discrimination by association or associated discrimination na matumi boa so akyerɛ nkɔfoɔ no baabi a mmara no wɔ because discrimination no yɛhwɛ mu a na kyerɛ sɛ ade yɛfɛ no ɔnfavorable kyerɛ sɛ wobɛtuti obi unfavorably compared to the other person because of the characteristics which is disabled nti ɛno na yɛto yɛbo ase ɛbɛkyerɛkyerɛ nkɔfoɔ sɛdeɛ nkɔfoɔ sɛ ɔmo nam na sɛ biribi abɛto ɔmo na yarefoɔ bi aba fie hɔ nom anaasɛ ɔmo bi apɛnyam anaasɛ obi a ɔyɛ ɔmo dɔfo na sɛ saa deɛ no bi ato no na sɛ sɛ ɔhwɛ no a ɛsɛ onya reasonable adjustment wotumi ana flexible hours of work wotumi de hwɛ saa nipa kɔ ɛno ne adeɛ a yɛba abɛkyerɛ nkɔfoɔ ɛna anadwe
yɛwɛ da sɛ lawyer Thomas Bebenya sɛ wɔnya abotrɛ na wakyekyere mu na wasa wrap it up ntiatie for sɛ 4 lines na ma deɛ na kyɛ sɛ yɛsɔre so ano no na MC Chaka so yɛma yɛ nyinaa yɛ ho yɛakɔ yɛma yɛ ho hyɛden sɛ ɔhema yɛba kurom a wɔyɛ bi ama yɛ paa especially abibifoɔ no nti ada yɛ program full program the birthday no ɛma yɛ celebrate no wɔ ha na ɛnya agorɔ because yɛkae deɛ wɔayɛ ama yɛn abibifoɔ no a na kyɛ sɛ especially Ghana for no pay asɛm pa yi or visit hɔ ma ɛdɛ mahu picture bi koraa yɛyɛ Commonwealth University of Ghana Commonwealth for ɔba Vanda City ɛbɛkyia Chief Vanda mahu picture mehu ne m'ani agye paa yie nti na kyɛ sɛ maame no ɔnyɛ yiyi mu baabiaa na ɔnsi yɛ fam ɛwom sɛ ɔwu krade a nkwa ntimi nyɛ na ɛsi nipa ɔyɛdi nkyerɛ bɔtɔ koraa ɔyɛ den a ɔbɛkɔ nti ne time na so na onyame ato ne nsa afrɛ no nti nyinaa yɛhyɛ yɛn ho den na yɛnsrɛ nyame sɛ abrabɔ pa a ɔbɛbɔyɛ no ɔnhwɛ so na ɔma no baabi ntena ɛma yɛn nti ɛma yɛn nyinaa ho hyɛ den the royal family ɛne ɔmo yɛ connected to the royal family ne nyinaa so ɔmo yɛ adwuma wɔ hɔ nyinaa no yɛma obiara hyɛ den yɛma obiara yɛakɔ kurom citizens ɛne ɛyi nyinaa yɛma ho hyɛ den na yɛkɔ yɛ nim so no care workers dwumadie no sponsorship visa no skilled workers no igu so the first batch amede ba yɛ de mawie the second one no igu so am enroll nti no akonya wɔ hɔ ma ɔmo mpɛ sɛ sela ɔmo ne me bi ensa so no oba mehwe bibia ama bibia akoso ama kama mechia madofo nyina me mates University of Ghana Vandas mechia mu nyina Mabo Akese Righteous Genero Lancaster Afarijan mechia Afarijan Mrs. Pa so me chia mu nyina VMS na me sham next time be a trip will be afa no me shi na young koji anymore. This was not bad at all. You better say another one. Why are the organizers no? Me more. Church among primary college all students. So I'm for senior doggy. So law me church among I'm for. I feel me cool for Kuntunchi Royals. Kuntunchi for me church am president. Yena na vice president. Or yuma pukuya onu kro. Me church among Kuntunchi Royals. And RC Roma Catholic primary or JSS. Me church among Josephine wahada kwe munyina mo so KD James Abukari. Me church among it is abri the more AC ha na mpanimfu bu baby say wo de agya kwa enya okwa enti de mo sia no na che say MC Chaka me sade ye anthem no etwato na ye dia sorry so ara no enti anthem na eba no na wo wanti the before no utie ni sesia na che say no ye na ye anthem no God save our queen no. Say, enti akrakra mo yedama say na me ya adoma next week lawyer the another interesting topic ebeba ama yede ahihye so legal hour program Tuesday na Thursday so ya any twie enti akrakra mo nyina yema mo good night.